Mate, this UV light is picking up some questionable stains on the back of your trousers.
You dickhead. What's up, my beautiful little cricketeers? I'm playing Phasmophobia. I haven't played this before. I've seen a lot on YouTube. I'm playing with my good friend Joe. Say hello, Joe.
You.
Literally, that's it. Phasmophobia. People that are
Fucking
watching
ghost
this,
hunters.
yeah, mate. People that are watching this video probably already know all about this game. But we're going to give it a new twist because we're going to hold hands throughout the whole fucking. Well, I'm going to be holding your T-shirt. You walk into the room first. Fuck that. Right.
Well, I came up with an idea for that, right?
Yeah.
When you see the ghosts, right, everyone runs away, but I think that's a bad idea. What you should do is you run in screaming at it to confuse it,
Okay.
and I'll run back and protect the van.
That sounds perfect. Get the keys ready. What contract? You got Tanglewood Street House, the Ridge. Right, let's pick one that sounds nice. Oh, Willow Street House. That sounds cute. Or should we do the
That
worst
sounds like an
one?
old lady's house. No, do breaking gently.
Okay, right.
Gently, because obviously we've got no equipment, no fucking idea.
Okay, this literally it's just right. Willow Street House. That sounds like she's ready to make you biscuits.
Biscuits.
Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's start. Yeah.
Oh, give me a sprint. Give me a sprint.
Is there a sprint? No, I don't think there is there?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's open. It's open. You got a torch. You go.
why have you done this to me, man?
You pick the torch up.
Mate, this is so fucking dark. Right, it's 8:10.
Wow.
When's
You walk inside and it sounds horrible. I'm leaving that door open.
Yeah, yeah. Don't shut that. I'm gonna keep it locked. Majorly, mate. You haven't got a torch. What are you gonna do?
I can literally see nothing. I need you to sort of.
Okay, right.
Hang on. I think there's a blue light torch in this thing. I might go and swap something.
Oh, you're not leaving me on my own.
Just have a little. You have a little look around. I'm just gonna go.
Oh, okay. Right. I'll have a little look around, he says. Open these doors. Mate, it's scary as fuck, the fact that I can't hear him. Is that you, Joe?
This blue light torch does nothing to be. Oh, it's not too bad actually.
Yeah, that's alright, that's alright. Okay, so what we've got to do first then? Let's look at the journal. Items. Overview. Keys found. Okay, front door key. Capture a photo of the ghost we need. So we need start filming ghost interactions. So let me just. Where should we set the? Obviously we've got to look around the house, haven't we? What's in there?
It's an bathroom, but I can't get in the door.
There you go. Sweet. I know where to come when I need to shit myself then. Right. What's in this door?
This UV light is picking up some questionable stains on the back of your trousers.
You dickhead. Oh, so this is the basement.
Oh,
obviously.
why did we just go to the basement?
That is exactly what I was thinking. You just walked straight down with no.
I didn't think.
Mate,
Oh, mate, I cannot see it.
That is. Oi, oi.
Hang on.
Where do you reckon I should set up? What?
Oh,
Where do you reckon I should set up a camera?
look for a. Hang on, look for a power box and we'll turn the lights on.
Can you do that?
Find power box.
Oh, Joe! Oh, you're the best!
Yes.
You are the best! You are the best! Right, I've got a spirit box. How do you even use this? Oh, okay. So what does it mean? That's the clock.
What's that?
Right, we need to
I
turn the
thought
lights on up
footsteps
here.
that weren't us.
Oh, to be fair. Nice, bro. Nice. Wait, where's the light? hallway then. Oh, there we go.
Not getting anything on the blueprint at the moment.
I don't know what the EMF means. Oi, when it's high, Joe, does that mean the EMF? Does that mean there's spirit activity?
Yeah.
Right, well downstairs it was nearly on 100, mate. And I'm on 89 now.
Right?
I'm 80.
No, you've got...
Higher.
No, that's radio stations. Just flicking through radio stations. That's not the EMF.
Shit myself then. So what does this mean then? Spirit box.
That's literally just radio stations. It's flicking through. You're supposed to hear voices through it. You're supposed to ask questions. And
Okay. Oh, thank fuck for that.
Yeah, it's like,
I'm scared the shit.
You just say stuff like, "Do you like sandwiches?" And they'll be like, "Yes."
Where should I put it? Should I put it upstairs? Or should I put it down in the basement? Yeah. Let's put it down in the basement.
Go on in. You put it down in the basement.
Why are you making me do this?
Because something just moved in this room.
Shut up. I'm coming.
Oh no, sorry. It's like, I think it's starting to snow outside. I just saw it moving.
Oh, we'll put it in here actually. We'll put the... I don't know how you place stuff, but if I put the little...
You just press B.
B. Oh, there's my...
What was that?
That's me. Is this the, blah, 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 is this the fucking... Is this the...
No, that's the walkie-talkie. That's the walkie-talkie.
Walkie-talkie. Oh, sweet, that was B. Right, if I do that... Right, I'll put it on the bed.
I feel like something's about to happen.
Joe, I'm pretty sure I've just heard footsteps behind me. I don't know if I was hearing things. I don't know.
I'm not getting anything on the
I'm gonna put
on the actual EMF.
I'm gonna put the book. I'm gonna put the book downstairs in the basement. Joe! Oh fucking hell! Fucking Jesus Christ!
No,
oh, I just see a fucking ghost, Joe. Let me in! Let me in!
Close that door. Close it.
Joe, seriously, mate, I've just got a ghost.
I just got the camera.
I've just bricked my pants. Pick up!
I think it can hit you.
Okay. Joe, I've just seen an orb over there, I think. Oh.
Wait, can you hear that creaking? Is it still outside?
Mate, I don't know. Obviously in our journal, evidence. Okay, I've literally seen a ghost. I'm pretty sure I've just seen a ghost orb. Joe.
It's killed all the lights out here.
Yeah. I don't know how you play stuff. Joe, is that your feet? Joe, where are you, mate?
I've literally just stepped back outside.
Did you say you're outside?
The front. Yeah, I'm just at the... We've got to try and capture a fight with the guy.
Joe, all the lights are out, mate, completely. They've all just gone out behind me.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure if you try and turn on too many, it kills the power.
Creaking to my left, mate. Is that camera like... does that your camera pick up like motion? What are you looking at?
No, I'm pretty sure it's literally just photos. Got to try and get a photo of the ghost. I'm just trying to work the journal out at the moment.
Okay. So evidence, 100%. I've definitely seen a ghost orb. I've actually seen the ghost as well. I see the outline of him, shadow. Problem is, I don't know how you put the book down.
So you just drop it with B. Like drop.
Just drop it. I'll put it
Yeah,
on.
you just drop it and it opens it up.
Should we put it in the basement? As horrible as that sounds.
Yeah, because that's where the power
was.
I'm with you. Did you want
garage.
to come with me? Because I'm bricking it, please. Extra cherry on top.
Yeah, I'll turn the power on while you drop the
But
Okay. Right. Oh my god. I might turn off that radio because that's actually annoying me now. Right, I'm going to put the book, because obviously the lights have gone out. I'm going to put the book here. Right, G. Oh, no, but it's not. Ah, I've just. Okay. Not sure. Right. I'm going to turn that radio off.
Oh, I've wasted all the photos. I didn't realise that you had it limited.
Joe?
It's on me, it's on me, it's got me.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
You in? Oh my god. Right. That's not good then. Oh, I'm stuck in the house now, and I? Yeah. Not for me. Not for me. There's something in that tastes like shit. Capture a photo of the ghost. Right. I have not discovered what type of ghost I am fucking dealing with. Whoa, what was that? Was that something? Was that Joe giving that to me? Oh fuck. That ain't... What the fuck is that? There's a fucking picture of a cat. Oh. Close the back of the van. Makes sense. Yeah, fuck that. Fuck that. I'm going back in there. We'll do another one. Well, guys, that was the first episode of Phasmophobia. We really hope you enjoyed it. Sorry there's not much information and knowing what ghost we got. It was the first time we've played it. But hope it entertained you. Hope it made you laugh. There'll be a lot more videos in this series. So please stay tuned. Give the video a like, favourite and subscribe. Turn on your notifications. Let us know what you think. And we'll see you guys soon. Take it easy.